Nancy Fetzer's Literacy Connections, Independent Centers for Emergent Reading. Blue Level, Book 24, Letters U and Q. Well, hello, my little reading buddies. This is Ella, here with your Letters of the Week. You don't just have one letter to master this week, you've got two. This is a very special week. Your first letter for this week is U. Say it with me. U. Great job! My friends Chase and Oliver are here to help you learn and practice the sound for the letter U. Are you ready, readers? Here we go. This is the capital U, and this is the lowercase u. The letter U is a vowel. The vowel U makes the sound Say the sound with me, friends. Fabulous! Now let's practice. This is an umbrella. Umbrella begins with a. Listen. U. Umbrella. Try it with me. U. Umbrella. Ooh la la! That was fancy. Okay, kiddos. This little creature is going upstairs. Upstairs begins with a. Listen. U. Upstairs. Let's do it together. U. Upstairs. Wow! And this little creature is under the rectangle. Under begins with a. Listen. U. Under. Read it with me. U. Under. What marvelous reading! Giraffe goes marching up the stairs. Hurrah! Hurrah! I need to hurry myself upstairs to get the surprise. I am almost unable to keep quiet under here. Tee-hee! Shh. Let's do some more. This is an umbrella. Umbrella begins with a. Listen. U. Umbrella. All together now. U. Umbrella. Super job. And this is up. Up begins with a. Listen. U. Up. Try it with me. U. up. Wonderful work. I don't understand why these things always happen to me. Up, up, and away I go. Well, now this seems to be an unfortunate event. Hello again, my little reading buddies. Your second letter for this week is the letter Q. Say it with me. Q. Great job. My friends Chase and Oliver are here again to help you learn and practice the sound for the letter Q. Are you ready, readers? Here we go. This is the capital Q, and this is the lowercase q. The letter Q makes the sound Q. Say the sound with me, friends. Q. Fabulous. Now, let's practice. This is a queen. Queen begins with Q. Listen. Q. Q. Queen. Try it with me. Q. Q. Queen. Ooh la la! That was fancy. Look at these fun pictures. This is a quarter. Quarter begins with Q. Listen. Q. Q. Quarter. Let's read together. Q. Q. Quarter. Fantastic! And this is the queen. Queen begins with Q. Listen. Q. Q. Queen. Now you try it with me. Q. Q. Queen. That was awesome. I am a highly qualified, queenly queen. Yes, and we have quite a lot of quarters for you. So shiny! Here's our last set of pictures for the letter Q. This is quiet. Quiet begins with Q. Listen. Q. Q. Quiet. Read it with me. Q. Q. Quiet. Brilliant. And this is a question mark. Question begins with Q. Listen. Q. Q. Question mark. All together now. Q. Q. Question mark. Such smart little readers you are. Now you two boys quiet down. This is a quiz you are working on after all. But Miss Ella? What is a quiz? Don't ask questions, chasers. Just answer them quickly. Okie dokie, little reading buddies. Now it's time for us to practice reading with the letters Q and U. Are you ready? Great! Let's get to it. So, when we see a capital letter, we will say the name of the letter. Q. U. And when we see a picture, we will say the name of the picture. Quarter. And when we see a lowercase letter, we will say the sound that the letter makes. Qu. Now let's read together. Are you ready? Here we go. Q. Qu. Quarter. Qu. Qu. Q. Queen. Qu. Q. Qu. Quail. U. Umbrella. U. Underwear. U. Upside down. Q. U. Qu. Quilt. What a perfect job! Your first letter for this week is U. This is the capital U. And this is the lowercase u. The letter U is a vowel. The vowel U makes the sound Your second letter for this week is Q. This is the capital Q. And this is the lowercase q. The letter Q makes the sound Qu. Make sure you practice.